Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the hottest and most sought-after products on the market today. If you're looking for the best of the best, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to take you on a thrilling journey through the world of servers, those powerful machines that keep our digital lives running smoothly behind the scenes. We're counting down the top-selling servers on Amazon, showcasing the technology that's leading the pack and setting new standards in performance and reliability. So without further ado, let's jump right into the countdown and discover the powerhouse products that are taking the server world by storm. Introducing the PowerEdge Dell R630 server, a titan in the world of enterprise computing, designed to conquer the demands of today's high-performance environments. This isn't just a server, it's the backbone of your digital operations, a workhorse that refuses to quit. Imagine the sheer power of 28 cores humming in perfect harmony, driven by dual E5 2690 V4 processors. These processors are the heart of this machine, built to handle complex tasks with the ease of flipping a switch. Multi-threading, not a problem. Virtualization, child's play, high-volume data crunching, consider it done. But power isn't everything. You need agility, flexibility, and the capacity to scale, because tomorrow's needs won't wait for yesterday's technology. That's where the 128 GB of RAM comes in. Think about running multiple applications, virtual machines, and data-intensive workloads simultaneously, with no lag, no hesitation, speed and efficiency in perfect balance. And let's not forget about storage. 2x1 terabyte SSDs provide blazing fast access to your data, ensuring that what you need is always at your fingertips. Whether it's massive databases, complex simulations, or essential backups, this server handles it all with lightning speed and absolute reliability. Renewed and ready for action, the PowerEdge Dell R630 isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in performance, stability, and the future of your business. Power, precision, and persistence, all wrapped into one. This is more than a server. It's your secret weapon in the data-driven battlefield. Introducing the Dell PowerEdge II Sliding ReadyRails Kit, an essential piece of engineering brilliance for your server infrastructure. It's more than just a rail kit. It's the linchpin in maintaining your high-performance servers, ensuring they operate at their peak securely and efficiently. In the fast-paced world of IT, where every second counts, you need reliability, and this rail kit delivers it in spades. Crafted to be the perfect fit for a range of Dell PowerEdge models, R530, R730, R540, R740, R740 XD, R820, R830, R7415, and R7425. This kit is versatile, adaptable, and ready to meet your most demanding needs. Imagine this, a 2U rack mount server, heavy with power and potential, gliding effortlessly into place. Installation, a breeze. Maintenance, simplified. All thanks to this thoughtfully engineered rail kit. It's not just about holding servers. It's about enabling seamless access, easy upgrades, and hassle-free servicing. No more wrestling with cumbersome setups or risking downtime. Your servers are always within reach, literally sliding into action with precision. Why settle for anything less when you can have equipment that's designed to work as hard as you do? The Dell PowerEdge II Sliding ReadyRails Kit is built for those who understand that the details make the difference. It's the unsung hero of your data center, quietly ensuring that everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and securely. In a world where uptime is king and efficiency is paramount, this rail kit is the silent partner that guarantees your servers are always on point, always ready, and always performing at their best. Choose precision, choose reliability, choose the Dell PowerEdge II Sliding ReadyRails Kit. Introducing the 832 single board server, your gateway to unparalleled performance, versatility, and freedom in the digital age. Imagine a server so compact yet so powerful that it redefines what a single board computer can do. Meet the Zima board, the world's first hackable x86 single board server, crafted exclusively for makers, DIYers, and tech enthusiasts who crave both innovation and control. Powered by the Intel Celeron N3450 quad-core processor, clocking in from 1.1 GHz to 2.2 GHz, this board is not just a piece of hardware, it's a launchpad for your ideas. Whether you're building edge intelligence systems, smart home projects, or custom network solutions, the Zima board delivers the expandability of an x86 single board computer with the robust power of a microserver. It's the best of both worlds, right at your fingertips. Customization is key, and with PCIe X4, SATA 6.0 GB per S, and dual gigabit Ethernet on board, the possibilities are endless. Need more speed, more storage, more connectivity? No problem. Expand with PCIe accessories. 5 GB, NVMe SSDs, Wi-Fi dongles, XMOS DAC modules, and so much more. The Zima board isn't just a server, it's your personal tech sandbox where your ideas come to life. And what can you do with this powerhouse? Practically anything. Set up a personal NAS with up to 4 terabytes of storage, build a 4K streaming server, create a secure VPN, or tune your network to perfection with OpenWRT. Whether you're sharing files with your team, managing smart home devices, or streaming high-definition content, the Zima board handles it all with ease. Pre-installed with CasaOS, a simple yet elegant home cloud system built around the Docker ecosystem, the Zima board transforms the way you manage your digital life. From secure photo and video storage to encrypted communications and smart home integration, CasaOS offers a one-stop solution that's as intuitive as it is powerful. And if you're a tinkerer, you'll love that it's compatible with Linux, Windows, OpenWrt, Android, and LibreELEC. The 832 single board server is not just another piece of tech. It's a revolution in how we think about servers, networks, and digital freedom. Unleash your creativity, safeguard your digital world, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The Zima board is here, and it's ready to redefine your expectations. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling servers on Amazon? Well, don't let your data center crash and burn. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're always plugged into the latest and greatest in tech. Unleash the power of precision with the Dell Precision T5810 workstation server, a machine built not just to meet the demands of today, but to anticipate the challenges of tomorrow. This is more than just a workstation. It's a gateway to unrivaled performance, designed for those who refuse to compromise on speed, storage, or graphics. At its core beats the formidable Intel Xeon E5 1620 V3 processor, a 4-core powerhouse clocking in at 3.5 GHz. Whether you're rendering complex 3D models, running resource-intensive applications, or crunching massive data sets, this workstation handles it all with unmatched efficiency. It's engineered to keep up with your creativity, your vision, and your relentless drive to push boundaries. But power needs support, and that's where 16 GB of RAM steps in. This isn't just about multitasking. It's about seamless transitions between tasks, about handling multiple virtual machines, heavy simulations, and large-scale computations without breaking a sweat. Every click, every command, executed with precision and speed. Now let's talk storage. Imagine the responsiveness of a 256 GB SSD, your boot time slashed, your applications launching at the speed of thought. Combine that with a massive 4 terabytes HDD, ample room for all your projects, files, and future endeavors. Speed meets space, ensuring you're never held back by storage limitations. Graphics? The Dell Precision T5810 doesn't just meet the standard, it sets it. Equipped with an Nvidia Quadro K2200 GB graphics card, this machine delivers stunning 4K visuals, rendering every pixel with breathtaking clarity. Whether you're a designer, an architect, or a digital artist, the visual fidelity this workstation offers will elevate your work to new heights. And it's not just about what's inside. Connectivity is key, and with USB 3.0, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the reliability of Windows 10 Pro, you're fully equipped to integrate this powerhouse into any environment, seamlessly, effortlessly. renewed and ready for action, the Dell Precision T5810 workstation server isn't just a tool. It's a partner in innovation, a catalyst for creativity, and a testament to what's possible when precision meets performance. This is your opportunity to redefine what you can achieve. Are you ready to take it? And now, taking the crown as the #1 best-selling server on Amazon, we present the Dell PowerEdge 1U Sliding ReadyRails II Rail Kit, a masterpiece of precision engineering designed to elevate your server management experience to an entirely new level. When it comes to data center efficiency, the details make all the difference. Enter the Sliding ReadyRails II Rail Kit, meticulously crafted for Dell's PowerEdge series, R620, R630, R640, R420, R430, and R320. This isn't just a rail kit. It's the backbone of streamlined installation, maintenance, and scalability. With a 1U form factor, it's compact yet powerful, designed to integrate seamlessly into your existing infrastructure, saving space while maximizing performance. Picture this, the effortless glide of your server into place, securely locked yet always accessible. With the Type A7 design, the precision and reliability are unmatched. No more struggling with cumbersome setups or time-consuming installations. This rail kit is all about ease and efficiency, engineered for the IT professional who values time and demands excellence. But why stop at functionality? The Dell ReadyRails II system offers an intuitive installation process, reducing downtime and enhancing your ability to focus on what truly matters, optimizing your operations. It's about giving you the tools to succeed without the headaches of traditional rail systems. Slide in, lock down, and let your servers do the heavy lifting. Renewed, rigorously tested, and ready to perform, this rail kit stands as a testament to Dell's commitment to quality and innovation. It's the unsung hero of your server rack, quietly ensuring that everything is in its place, running smoothly, and ready to scale with your business needs. So, as we crown the #1 product, remember this: the Dell PowerEdge 1U Sliding ReadyRails II Rail Kit isn't just about holding servers, it's about holding your infrastructure to the highest standard of excellence. Secure your servers, secure your future, and let this rail kit be the foundation of your next great achievement. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling servers on Amazon. To keep up with the latest and greatest products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the top servers we featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.